So hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, or you can mail us if you have any queries, okay? But the mail ID is different now. Please mail on the updated ID. Let's see, Gemini, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Queen of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. This is a third party reading straight away, Gemini, for you guys. Either this person is dealing with two people at the same time, or you are dealing with two people at the same time, or two energies at the same time. Two energies means where you are first you are practical, then you're emotional, then you're practical, then you're emotional. If this is not a third party kind of a dynamic between you and your person, this person is feeling like their feelings are, sometimes they're feeling like very emotional about you. Then they come to their practical side like, okay, I have to be practical, I have to be grounded, and I have to think about it with all the logic that I can apply in this situation. So if there's no third party like in the situation, these are their energies of sometimes feeling very emotional about the situation, sometimes feeling very practical about the situation, but trying their best to stay grounded and stay calm in the situation. If there is a third party equation here, they are feeling for one of them, they are feeling very like loving and nurturing kind of energy. For one of them, they are feeling like this is a very stable kind of energy and I should stick around with this kind of energy as well. Wow, giving me a very tough energy. Take it how it resonates with you. If there's no third party from any side, this person is feeling like practical and emotional, then practical and then emotional. But they can't stop thinking about the connection, this collaboration, this partnership between you and them. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Queen, Knight of Pentacles, the Empress, the Nine of Wands. They want to very slowly head towards growth and expansion, keeping their guards up. Wow. They are like, they want to let their guards down very slowly to the point of you even thinking that they are nowhere to be found. But because they are hurt and because they had experienced a very terrible kind of breakup or separation or terrible experience, they want to let their guards down very slowly and slowly heading towards growth and expansion. Now they are not directly pointing their fingers on you that I want to go towards Gemini with this kind of energy. Right now they're pointing their energies towards this energy of I will open up slowly, very slowly and steadily to other people, other energies, and I will see what I can do about it afterwards. Cool. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December, Gemini. We have the Ten of Swords, the Five of Wands, the King of Pentacles. There are very high chances of somebody connecting with you and acting very mature, very sorted, very grounded, and connecting with you in this energy of, okay, can we just exist like two souls existing on this planet Earth with peace? Basically, maybe a closure, or maybe coming forward towards you with a mature talk, with this energy of let's have talk like two mature adults, and let's sort it out with each other. There are very good chances because this person doesn't want any kind of drama or conflict or fight or whatsoever. They don't want to bring any kind of drama, more drama into the situation. They want to sort it out with you with a lot of maturity and practicality and groundedness. Now what you're going to do about it, it's completely up to you. But with this groundedness, this maturity, this person might be coming towards you just for a proper closure and just for clearing the air with you. Maybe as of now, I don't see this energy of a full-on reconciliation. I do see right now this energy of clearing the shit out with you. Okay, let's see for you. The guidance here is Four of Pentacles. Whatever you're holding on to, when it comes to your relationship and love area, you have to release that, whether it's positive or negative. Whatever we hold on to, okay, no matter it's positive or negative, it start converting into something very, very terrible, very, very heavy, and it starts affecting each and everything in our life, right? Whatever we hold on to, again, even if it is a positive thing, too much of anything in life is poisonous. Excess of anything in life is poisonous, even if it is positivity, toxic positivity, right? So try to understand my point here. Whatever you're holding on to, maybe a limiting belief, maybe this energy of I'm never going to connect with this person or talk to this person, that's completely your free will. But at the same time, you have to release this energy of not talking to them. Don't talk to them, but detach from the idea. Don't be in this energy of, oh my god, never, never, never. No, don't do that. You are kind of uh, distorting your own energies, honey. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.